Hi everybody, it's Jason from Boatshed Torbay. Today we're taking a look at this Ocqueteau 645 motorboat that we have listed here in the Torbay area. I have to say my first impressions, well, it is a very clean, tidy and well maintained boat with plenty of documentation to support all that. Just going to be doing a walk around this boat so you can get a feel for the quality, condition of her hull, etc. And we'll look at the underwater profile. She's just had a fresh coat of anti-foul. Problem rudder there. All of the anodes have been replaced as well as part of the service while she's out of the water. So the hull's got a lovely shine to it. Again, just looking at her underwater profile there from the bow. Starboard side now. So should you have any questions regarding this boat whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact me, jason@boatshedtorbay.com, and of course you can see the boat's full listing on our website at boatshedtorbay.com. Thanks for watching.